Hey everyone, this is Sarah. So we are on lesson 9, chapter 8, exercise 8-11. So this exercise begins with these transactions took place for Wild Horse Company. There are 3 transactions that we need to make note of. The first one is May 1st in 2016. They received a 4,200 12-month 7% note in exchange for an outstanding account receivable from R. Stoney. The second is December 31st, accrued interest revenue on the R. Stoney note. And the third is May 1st, 2017, received principal plus interest on the R. Stoney note. No interest has been accrued since December 31st, 2016. Record the transactions in the general journal. The company does not make entries to accrue interest except at December 31st. So we're going to start here on May 1st, 2016. This notes receivable is because we received a note in exchange for an outstanding account receivable. So we do notes receivable for the amount at $4,200, and then you balance that with an accounts receivable entry for also $4,200. The second entry is December 31st, 2016. There is accrued interest on the account. So we do interest receivable and interest revenue. Interest receivable is debited, and I got the $196 by taking the $4,200 times 0.07, which is the 7%, and then multiply it by 4 months divided by 12 months. And I got the 4 months because it's May, June, July, August, December. I lied, that's 5 months. So 5 months divided by 12. So 4,200 times 0.07 times 5 divided by 12 months. That equals the 196. And then we also do interest revenue credited for $196. The third entry is May 1st, 2017. So there's a few parts to this one. Cash is the amount that we received because it says we received principal plus interest on that note, which it's a 12-month note, and so it's completing the note of all 12 months. So the cash we put in, and then just leave this portion blank until we figure everything else out, and then we know how much they paid us in total. So we have a credit for notes receivable, which is balancing this debit here at the beginning. So 4,200 credited notes receivable. And then we have the interest receivable, which was this is the interest receivable credit to balance the interest receivable debit up here. So here's the interest receivable for $196. And then the interest revenue. And that is the portion from January 1st to April 30th, which is the end of April. And so that's where we take the $4,200 times the 0.07% times 4 months divided by the 12 months. That's where I came up with the $98 credited for the rest of the interest that was due on that 12-month note. I believe that was everything that we had to do for that exercise. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great night.